Morning, welcome to Hardy Classics on another damp, wet November day. But something that might cheer you up is this van. If you're into light commercials like I am, I've never seen one before. It's a 1939 Bedford HC van and it's in fantastic condition. Purchased it a couple of weeks ago. It'd been stored in a museum. But like all things that get stored for a long time, they need a bit of recommissioning work. This, we had to do the brake. We obviously do the brakes on things first anyway. So we stripped the wheels off, did the brakes, a couple of leaky cylinders, leaky master cylinder, little bits and bobs. It wasn't running at the time, but we've got it running. We've got it starting off the key. She's beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. Underneath, the chassis is really, really good. It's all been repaired, it's all been restored, but it's been done to a really good standard. Anybody who wants to buy it, we'll put it on the lift. You can have a look underneath it if you want, but you won't have to. The only odd thing with it is this seat, which actually looks like it's been, I don't know, took out of a school dining room or something. There's a spare seat over there. Spare seat and frame, so you could pattern it and get one made. But we'll have a quick look around the van. Overall, obviously, wheels and tyres. Wheels and tyres are good. There's a little bit of cracking in them, but they're not bad. They'll go again. I wouldn't bother changing them. Tin work, fantastic. The body is really, really, really good. No rot or rust anywhere. Vinyl roof's new. That's nice. Moving around the back, there's a few little bits of marks on it, but not much. A couple of little scratches there. I think they'll probably polish out. We haven't had this van in the workshops to polish it or clean it. It's had no cleaning, no buffing. This is how it looks. So we'll move around the back. Obviously from the back there you can see, looks like it's got a little spare wheel holder under there. There'll be a key somewhere for that. Spare wheel goes under there. Tow bar. Now we've had a look at it on the ramp. And at first I thought, oh, what would you be able to tow with that? But it's pretty substantial, so a little tiny trailer or something just to go at the shows. In the back here, the wooden doors, nice. Door cards on the back there, nice. Again, we haven't cleaned it, hasn't been cleaned. Lovely and solid in there. Wheel arches, solid. Everything's nice and solid. Wooden frame. The wooden frame's in really good condition. And the roof, again, brand new, as you can see. Well, not brand new, but brand new restored at some point. So that's inside the back of the van. Again, like I say, lovely and clean. And I don't know how much it would cost if you were doing that restoration. Move around this side. The same, couple of little marks here. Again, I don't know whether we could touch them up. We probably will. They might rub off. And the same down this side. We'll just step back a bit and you can have a look. Sills, solid. Any repairs that have been done, doesn't appear to be any filler in, it's just solid. This side, we're looking here now. It's been absolutely pouring down and there's a bit of water on the floor. Floor's big off the clutch there, off the choke. Dashboard. Now something missing out of here, and I'm not sure whether it's this light. So I've got to do a bit of research on that. But there's the floor pans. You can see there's a bit of water on there, but they are solid. Absolutely solid as a rock. Right, we'll have a look at the little engine. Based on a little Vauxhall 10, these things were, so little Vauxhall engine in there. Again, nice and clean under there. Not a lot to say really. Go around the other side, you can have a look. See, nice down there, all been restored. Again, not cleaned up. We're going to give it a quick clean up. We're not going to go to town on it because really that's what the next man needs to do. So, we're selling this as a running, driving restoration project. So don't come along and think, oh, I'm going to jump in it and drive to Africa, because you won't be able to. We've got it starting, we've got it stopping, and really it's up to the next man to do his little bit on it. There's not a lot to do. but we just haven't got the time to do it. Looking at the van, quick look round it, like I say, it's a potential show winner, but that's up to you, that's up to the next man. Well, there you have it, Bedford HC, find another. So we're going to start this little van up, see how she starts and drives. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. If you're interested in any of the vehicles, give us a ring, come and have a look. Got quite a few commercials in at the minute, again, the rare things, and there you have it. Anyway, bye bye now.